Hello everyone, it's Jama Malmy and welcome to another scrapbook process video. This is going to be a quick video because it was a super quick layout to put together. I do a lot of layouts where I do my own thing, but sometimes I like a quick layout where I just don't have to think too much and it comes together beautifully. And that's why I love Close to My Heart's cut above kits like you see here. Everything comes pre-printed, pre-cut, and pre-designed. It's got stickers and background pages that are already pre-printed like this one here. And it's still all the fun of playing with paper and creating a beautiful layout, but without the thinking. So if kits aren't your thing, these layouts still do show some great ideas that you can incorporate into your own scrapbooking. The background designs are usually very unique and have several spots for photos. And as I've shown in many videos before using these kits, and will show you again here, they're still flexible to fit your needs. And today I'm going to add several extra photos. You can see those small little photos down there that I'm bringing in. I'm going to add those to the design and rearrange a few embellishments to fit my photos. So have you guys ever accidentally scrapbooked the same photos twice? That's actually what I did with these photos. They were professional photos that my friend took when she came to visit, and I just loved them so much, and she had printed a whole bunch of them for me. Some of them were duplicates at different sizes, and so I pulled out that envelope she gave me, and I actually scrapbooked the same photos again. They were just a different size than I had scrapbooked before. So when I went to put them in my album, I just had to laugh because they were already there, but I actually liked this layout better. So I'm keeping this one, and then with the other layout, I'll just cover the photos on that one with different photos. Problem solved. So if you are enjoying this video so far, I'd love if you hit the like button so YouTube knows to show this video to more people. And while you're at it, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss upcoming videos. I post a new scrapbook video every Tuesday and Thursday. Plus, next month I have a super exciting announcement with the creative design team, and you're not going to want to miss that. So back to the layout, I'm putting down these title stickers that came on the sticker sheet, and I'm using my T-square ruler along with my VersaMat to make sure that they're lined up perfectly. And then I'll continue adhering some of these die cuts. Now some of these embellishments are die cuts that I popped out of the sheet, and then some of them are stickers. And that cloud is a die cut, and I'm going to end up popping it up on some foam to make it a little more dimensional. And some of the other die cuts, I will do that as well. So this particular kit was from Close to My Heart's Scrapbook Subscription. It's one of the older ones that's not available anymore, but it is still a good example of the types of kits that come in that subscription. So the subscription is two-page layouts for each month, and you get the subscription shipment with 4 kits at a time, and you can pay for it for 4 months up front, or you can pay for the whole year up front, in which you'd also save extra and get free shipping. So that's a really good option. When you pop out these die cuts, sometimes they leave those little nubs, and so that's what I'm doing here. I'm just cutting them out, and then I'm going to layer it up on top of that other die cut or sticker to give it a little bit of dimension. Some of the layouts do that. They'll have you layer up one of the die cuts, or layer up one of the die cuts on top of the other one to give it some dimension, or you can just use it in a different place and you've got an extra flower to use somewhere, but I opted for the extra dimension. And then I'm going to fuss with some of these other little tiny stickers. All that I have left now are my journaling strips, which is actually really cool because the journaling strips are stickers, and so you can write on the stickers and then just stick them on. I really love that. I wish that Close to My Heart would just create a whole sticker sheet of just the journaling strips. And then I've got these little blue banners that I'm adding in different places, and I'm thinking that that one on the bottom is a little bit too long. I'll come back to that and trim it off. There's one more little banner on the sticker sheet that I'm going to end up grabbing. So here I'm cutting off just only the stickers that are left. There's those little journaling strips, and then the last little banner, and I'm putting that in a different place than what the guide told me. So you saw the guide, it gives you a big picture and some tips on putting the layout together so that you've got some tips and you've got a visual reference. And so you can tell I pretty much followed it, but then I added those extra small photos at the bottom. And so I ended up fitting 7 photos on this layout, which is pretty cool. And I could have added even more with flip-flops if I wanted to. And if you're not familiar with flip-flops, I will link a video up in the corner here and a playlist at the end of this video using flip-flops, because they are my favorite way to add extra photos to my layouts. I'm adding some glitter gems. These are all extras from my stash that I added just to add a little bit of extra to my layout. And then this is complete. I'll leave you with a few still shots so you can see the close-ups, but that was so simple and quick to put together. So if you're interested in these type of kits, I will leave a link below. I hope you enjoyed this quick video and found some inspiration. Here are a couple of other videos and playlists I think you might enjoy. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.